Hey, let me show you how you can easily connect the JBL Live 770 noise cancellation headphones into any iPhone, iPad, basically iOS devices. So first of all, you will have to actually find this power button and move it like that. There we go. Now the the headphones are turned on, and we have to click once on this Bluetooth button. And now you will hear the pairing notification, and this indicator will start blinking quickly. So all you have to do is just to go into the Bluetooth settings. So you will start from this screen, open the Bluetooth, turn it on, and from other devices select JBL Live 770 NC. When you are connected, you can also go into the App Store where you can download the JBL headphones application. So we can open it, accept all of these permissions one by one, wait for this welcome screen. Now click to get started, accept the user license and privacy statement. Then when you connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, you will be automatically connected with the application. And that's how it works. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.